Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows ectopic kidney having two ureteral stones. You can see the kidney, ectopic kidney. This is the normal kidney, that is right kidney, and it is located in its normal anatomical position. The left kidney is missing from its normal anatomical position, and you will see the left kidney is located in the left pelvic cavity, just adjacent to the urine-filled urinary bladder. Now this is the normal anatomical position of the left kidney, and left kidney is missing from this position and lies in the left pelvic cavity. During normal embryological development, there is cephalic migration of the kidney to their normal retroperitoneal location, and an ectopic location is a result of arrested migration. The kidneys during its normal ascent has multiple aortoiliac branches which degenerate when kidney reaches to its normal location. An ectopic kidney usually doesn't cause health problems or complications and may work normally. Now you can see the right kidney. An ectopic kidney is a birth defect in which a kidney is located in an abnormal position. In most cases, people with an ectopic kidney have no complaints. In other cases, ectopic kidney may create urinary problems such as urinary blockage, infection, or urinary stones. You can see the right kidney, and it is echo-mecho-normal. A small stone is seen in the renal pelvis of 3 stones are seen in the renal pelvis of the kidney. So the ectopic kidney is a birth defect in which kidney is located in an abnormal position. In most cases, the people with ectopic kidney have no complaints. So an ectopic kidney may not cause any symptoms and may function normally even though it is not in its usual position. In other cases, an ectopic kidney may cause abdominal pain or urinary problems. So you can see the multiple stones are seen in the right kidney. Ectopic kidney or renal ectopia describes the kidney that is not located in its usual position. Ectopic kidneys are thought to occur in about 1 out of 900 births, but only about 1 out of 10 of these are ever diagnosed. They may be found while treating other conditions. Now you will see the left kidney lying on the left lateral, along the left lateral wall of the urinary bladder, and it shows moderate to severe idonephrosis with idoureter. This is urinary bladder, and this is the ectopic kidney, that is left kidney. In this case, now you will see the tracing of the ureter. You can see the measurement of the kidney. and this kidney shows moderate to severe hydronephrosis with hydroureter. And this kidney measures 8.1 centimeter into 5.4 centimeter with cortical thickness of about 8.0 millimeter. Now the most common locations of the ectopic kidney are: it may be located in a low sacral position behind the urinary bladder or anywhere along the normal cranial migration path towards the renal fossa. The ectopic kidney is most commonly located in the pelvis, as in this case. Now you will see the tracing of the left ureter and ureter of the ectopic kidney, and you can see this is the ureter, and now you can see two stones in the left ureter. Hydronephrosis of the pregnancy occurs in most women, but it has been found not to affect the patients with pelvic kidneys. The patient illustrates that it is possible. This patient illustrates that it is possible for women with ectopic pelvic kidney to develop hydronephrosis during pregnancy. An ectopic kidney happens while a baby is growing in the womb. Sometimes it may even connect with the second kidney. Some of the causes of these birth defects are genetic defects. Genes carry information. Now you can see both the stones lying adjacent to each other in the distal portion of this small ureter. These are the stones in the ureter of the ectopic kidney. In some patients who have born with a single kidney or had a kidney removed during childhood, there is a chance of some slight loss of kidney function later in life. Most people with one kidney live healthy, normal lives with few problems. In other words, one healthy kidney can work as well as two. Drinking in moderation, that is one drink a day for women and two drinks a day for men, usually would not harm the kidneys. Although alcohol has this effect whether you have one or two kidneys, but it may lead to kidney failure more quickly when you only have one functional kidney. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.